Hi everyone, today we are making a classic cornbread recipe. This recipe is moist and fluffy and it's so delicious. It's also a really good base if you wanted to do like a cheddar cornbread, or if you wanted to add some jalapenos for spice. This is a really basic recipe that you can gussy up however you like. Today's recipe is from 1968, and the full recipe can be found down below in the description box. The recipe calls for a greased baking dish. Today I'm using my cast iron skillet, and although cast iron is pretty much non-stick, I also put a stick of butter in the pan just for extra flavor. It really helps give it a good crust. You don't have to put a full stick. You could do a few tablespoons, or you could just do some of your favorite oil in whatever pan you like, but I will show you later what the crust looks like on your cornbread. Let's just take a moment to appreciate how beautifully browned the bottom of this cornbread is. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more of my videos. But I'll see you next time right here on Vintage Cookery.